Dear listener, welcome to my channel. This video gives explanation on language model of NLP. Now let us see what is mean by language model. Language model sentence is consist of sequence of word. To find probability of statement word, there is need of language model. Ngram is one of the very basic concepts of NLP. Definition of language model: any model that computes either of the probability of the sentence or probability of new word when probability of other words are given. For example, about 10 minutes from, and it should predict what is the next word after from. And if we write attend C, it should predict what is the next character or that complete word after the C. So it may be class or college. Uses or application of language model: OCR, optical character recognition and hand recognition. In OCR, LM can be used to predict a word that is not easily readable in the given image by this particular application. Second is correcting a sentence. For example, by mistake, dear sir is typed instead of dear sir. So in corpus, the probability of dear sir is more than the dear sir. So that wrong is replaced by the correct one. Speech recognition. So in speech recognition, for the words whose phonic are same, so they are very difficult to recognize or to convert into the from speech to the text. So for example, the word like I and I. For example, I am eating, his eye go hurt. So it may be recognized as am I eating and his eye got hurt. So in corpus, probability of I am eating is more than am I am eating and his eye go hurt than the his eye got hurt. So Ngram model helps to predict the right words according to the sentence. Machine translation from Hindi to English conversion. In Hindi word the word is bada bhai, and for that replacement is English word big brother or large brother. As both big and large are synonyms, but probability of big brother is more than the large brother in corpus. Suggestions while typing. The word prediction may be very useful for typing. For example, when we type on our cell phone, we get suggestions. Suggestions come between the word as well as across a single word. This suggestion make it very easy to type. For example, don't want to, it will predict the next word. And for example, if you write close to, it will predict the next word that is across a single word, and the above is suggestion between the words. Now next is auto completion prediction, which is similar to fifth, that is suggestions while typing in search engine, but it is explicitly used in search engine. In search engine, when we type a query before completion, search engine gives out various suggestions. For example, queries how to, after how to, it gives out various suggestions like how to learn computer, how to learn Java, or how to learn maths, etc. Context sensitive spelling correction. For example, statement is college is closed on Saturday and Sunday, but spelling error, instead of college, the by mistake type as college. Only one character is different, but the meaning is totally different. The meaning of the college is an institution of higher education similar to university, and the meaning of collage is the collection of different pieces that are put together into one piece of artwork. Suppose both college and collage are present in corpus. Spelling mistake detection and correction will not work as both words are present in corpus. Need spelling correction based on the local context. College is closed on Saturday and Sunday is higher than the probability of trend, that is collage is closed on Saturday and Sunday. So that collage word is replaced by the college word. Ngram language model. An ngram is contiguous sequence of n items from given sample of text or speech. The items can be phoneme, syllable, letter or words or base pair according to the application. The ngrams typically are collected from text or speech corpus. Now we will see the derivation for ngram language model. This is a formula of conditional probability. That is, what is the probability of B given A? That is, A event happened already. Then what is the probability of B when A is happened? Which is nothing but the probability of A and B, which is represented by probability of A comma B divided by probability of A, which is already occurred. We can arrange the equation and we can write down that probability of A comma B, that is nothing but A and B, is equal to probability of B given A into probability of A. Now instead of these two variables, now consider the four variables A, B, C, D, in which A is independent, B is dependent on C is dependent on A and B, D is dependent on A, B, C. that is previous to previous word. So we can say that we can write down the equation probability of A into a probability of B given A, probability of C given A comma B, and probability of D given A comma B comma C. For the n words we can make that chain rule. Probability of x1 to xn is probability of x1, probability of x2 given x1, probability of x3 given x1 x2, and for the last probability of xn given x1 to x minus 1. Now just take the statement above 5 minutes from, probability of about, probability of 5 from about, probability of minutes about 5, and probability of from given above 5 minutes. Now probability of words in sentence. Now this is similarly represented only in a different equation format. The probability of W1 to Wn, this is nothing but joint probability distribution. So it is nothing but multiplication of probability, projection operator use. What is the probability of Wi given W1 to Wi minus 1? Now here we decide which type of model to be used. For example, these are nothing but the previous word and this is nothing but the next word which is to be predicted. Now here if we use 0 word, then that is no history is used, it becomes a unigram. If we use one word as a previous history, it becomes a bigram, that is 2 gram, one word history is used, that is W2 is predicted based on the W1. Trigram, 2 words history is used, for example W3 is predicted based on W1 and W2. For 4 and 5 gram respectively 3 word and 4 word history is used respectively. Generally in practical application, bigram, trigram and 4gram are used, in which the previous 1 word, 2 word and 3 words are used respectively. Unigram, no history is used. So for example, above 5 minutes from, now we want to predict what is the next word after the from corpus. Assume that in corpus, dinner word is present with the highest probability. Unigram doesn't take into account the probabilities with the previous word like from, minutes. So it is not taking the relationship with the words from and minutes because no history is used. Therefore, it will replace the word with the maximum probability. So it will predict above 5 minutes from dinner. So it is, unigram is rarely used in the prediction because it does not take the that is a reference with the previous word. It is only replaced by the word having the highest probability. Bigram, that is 2 gram, one word history is used. So this is the equation. Probability of W1 W2 is given. What is the probability of W2 given W1? Now here W1 is the previous word and W2 is to be predicted. Now here we can take the count of, here W2 various words are there which we can make the prediction. So we require to check the equation with next probable all the words. So I will explain with the example. Now here count of Wi minus 1 Wi, that is previous word and the next predicted word divided by the previous word. Now for example, see about 5 minutes from, now there are 2 words in our corpus. For example, just make the assumption college and class. Now either college will come or class will come. So bigram, we are taking the 1 gram word history, so only from is used. So we see the equation P is equal to probability of college given above 5 minutes from is equal to count above 5 minutes from college divided by about 5 minutes from. Now either college or class. So second equation, probability of class is given, what is the probability of class given above 5 minutes from? Count of above 5 minutes from class divided by about 5 minutes from. So this is nothing but the previous word and this is the predicted word divided by the previous word. Now we see the derivation above 5 minutes from. Now what is the probability of about? This is nothing but the start symbol. So how many times it comes at the start symbol? So what is the probability of about given start symbol? What is the probability of 5 given about? Here we are using one word history. What is the probability of minutes given 5 and what is the probability of P? What is the probability of from given minutes? Similarly, we can write down the same equation, only our next predicted word is college. So we include that. So it becomes again probability of college given from. And the same equation we can write down for the class also. So only that things changes. What is the probability of class given from? Now when we calculate, we are multiplying. This is our numerator and this is our numerator and this is our denominator. This is again numerator and denominator. So all terms get cancelled and only remaining is the probability of college given from, and probability of class given from. That is, in bigram model, we predict the next word based on only previous word. Similarly, for trigram, we can write down the similar equation. So here, what is the probability of W3 given W1 and W2? So these are the two previous word and this is the next current predicted word, and divided by the count of the previous two word. Now for the same example, if we make the equation, so the final answer will be, what is the probability of college given minutes from? Now it is predicted from the two previous word. What is the probability of class given minutes from? Three words history, that is 4 gram. So here we are using 3 words history. So probability of W4 given W1, W2, W3. So if you write down this equation, so when we predict the minutes, we are taking the 3 symbols, that is the start, about 5. When we predict the from, then about 5 minutes. And when we write down the equation, we are getting the equation like probability of college given 5 minutes from and probability of class given 5 minutes from. So once you understood for the bigram, we can easily do for the 3 gram, 4 gram. But after the 3 gram, 4 gram, when we are using the more higher orders of the engram, what will happen? In corpus, there are very few chances that such words which, for example, in 4 gram, we are using 3 word history. So it is very difficult to get the combination in corpus like 5 minutes from. But it is very easy to get the combination from or minutes from. Therefore 2 grams, 3 grams and up to 4 grams are used, but after that it is very difficult to get such combination from the corpus. So for prediction, generally 2 grams and 3 grams are used. Probabilities, as number of previous states, that is history increases, it is very difficult to match that set of words in corpus. Probability of larger collection of the word is minimum. To overcome this problem, generally bigram and trigram model is used. Language model evaluation. Language model is better if it is assigning a higher probability to the real, frequently observed grammatical sentence over false, rarely observed and ungrammatical sentence. Two criteria are there for the evaluation. One is extrinsic and second is intrinsic. Extrinsic evaluation, it evaluates the language model when solving a specific task. For example, in extrinsic evaluation, we will consider the 2 to 3 models and we compare their performance and we will decide which is the best or which is the worst. For example, speech recognition accuracy, machine translation accuracy and spelling correction accuracy. Compare to our models and check which works best. That is nothing but what? Extrinsic evaluation. Disadvantage is expensive and time consuming. Intrinsic evaluation, the language model is best when it predicts an unseen test set. Definition of perplexity. So here the concept of the perplexity is used. It is the inverse probability of the test data which is normalized by the number of words. Lower the value of the perplexity, better model, and more value of the perplexity, confused for prediction. Advantages, easy to understand and implement, can be easily convert to any gram. So these are the advantage and disadvantage of your n-gram model. Disadvantage, underflow due to multiplication of probability, but this is not actually disadvantage. We can easily overcome by using the log operator, and when we use log, we are adding the probabilities. Next is the zero probability problem. So better because some of the probabilities are zero, so we are getting final answer is 0. So to overcome that, we can use the Laplace smoothing. So in my videos of n-gram, I have solved the various problem on n-gram in which I handle the or I solve the problems on the zero probability, that is the using Laplace smoothing, and log, how to add the probabilities by using the log operator. Even I explain the perplexity formula with the help of example. Now next disadvantage is what? They are sparse. There are v raised to n possible n-grams are there for vocabulary size of v. Only fraction of them is present in the training data. For example, just say in vocabulary only 3 characters are there, A, B, C, and if we are using bigram, so bigram is n equal to 2. So 3 raised to 2, that is 9 combinations are possible. So we are going to predict after A it may be A, after A it may be B, after A it may be C, and similarly for B it may be ABC, and for C similarly ABC. But we are rarely using all that combination, and even only fraction of them is present in the training data. Words are independent, only map together identical words, but ignore similar or related words, because it works only on the combination of how many times the combination with the previous one or two words is present in the corpus. So it is just going with the identical of words, but ignore the similar or related words. So for this slide, or for this presentation video, I use the references from the Jurovsky book and the Manning book. Thank you so much. I already posted the video on Ngram. You watch that video for the exercises. Thank you so much. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.